So now we're kind of doing this, covering every single hole carefully because we don't want all this garbage while we're cleaning the head surface to be falling inside the ports. $2000s. We're gonna press hard on both sides. This ruler is really strange. And try to keep it straight. We already cleaned the block surface. Okay, doesn't go through. This is the area. Okay, seems like it doesn't go. Okay. All right. So it seems like hopefully this thing is okay. We might have to check it with another ruler because this one is a little weird. Like the surface of it is uneven or something. I don't know. It's mostly even, but yeah, maybe we're just overthinking. Yeah. I don't know. But
no, but there are ridges in there.
Yeah, but it looks a lot better now after cleaning it. All right, installing this new valve. Fire? All right. No, you're good, bro. Okay. Install this bad boy. There we go. It's brand new. We got all the parts cleaned up too, and nice. All of that. Ready to go. Back at the garage, and what do we have here? We have some craziness. We're gonna be trying something crazy tonight. These are the, grinding stones, stuff like that, because discovered that this block is actually warped. So this block used a pipe, which I'll show you in a little bit, and then we put a pipe all the way straight pipe like that, and use the feeler gauge, and it's pretty good like here around this area, but around here it's just warped. So we definitely need to take care of that, and we're not gonna take this block apart right now, get all that stuff done. It's just a lot of work. It's just not worth it. So I'm gonna try it the dirty way. We're gonna try to use some of these stones and just kind of go around and get this thing done. Hopefully that does the trick. So start covering some of the areas. We're gonna flush the cooling system anyways for like any shavings and stuff, oil, that's okay. But that's kind of like the point of attack right now. And this timing cover was off, I know, but even though it was off, I mean, even if we knew that the block, I was kind of feeling from the beginning that the block is probably warped and stuff, but still, like, we would not be, taking the block apart, like stripping it and, just sending naked block to the machine shop. It's just too much work. It's just not needed. But yeah, hopefully we get successful with this. But yeah, there are some low spots here in this area. They need to be taken care of because we don't want this head gasket to blow again. So we have a couple options. We have this stone, this little one too. This one actually fits pretty good like that. You just literally roll it all the way around, back and forth, so many times. And we have that one too, but that one's just a little too small, so I don't know if we're gonna use that. And we have this one too. Probably just would take it, but it would be like, this one's really, really fine. so maybe we'll use that later, but we'll try something with this. Okay, so get this feeler gauge into that one. So hold on, let me reposition that. So there's a specific place where it actually goes through somewhere. Try the other ones. Okay. Try that one. See, that one goes through there. Okay, and now if I roll it this way, okay, try again. Let's see, it goes in there. Sometimes it goes in that one too. No. Okay, but it goes there. Yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like after about
Close to 100 passes.
maybe close to 100 passes, basically, back and forth. I used actually the combination of this stone, also used this brick right here too, a little bit. But yeah, it's a lot smoother too. We're about to check the warpage and stuff for warpage, but I'm sure we have to go more. But it's definitely making some progress. So hot, bro. What you mean? It's not cold. Actually, it's so hot in Florida right now. I was talking to Daniel from Naples. Daniel, my brother.
I was talking with him too.
Yeah, it's so hot there. Watch it start right now. I told you.
You liar.
That's crazy.
You liar.
That is insane. Maybe you were not holding the key all the way in or something.
Okay, keep it on. Let's go get the tea and go. Oh, no, that doesn't make sense.
Are you sure you held it like in the crank position?
Okay, don't.
Okay, so have 2/1000 of an inch here. Let's see what happens. Okay, it goes through this one now. Oh, what about 3/1000? Let's try 3/1000. That doesn't go. So roll it down a little, like right here. Okay, try 2/1000 again.
Hey.
Come on.
Oh my God.
What happened?
Ouch, just drop it back.
All right, guys, so we are done here pretty much. About to install the head. Just cleaning some things up and oiled up the cylinders a little bit. But yeah, she's actually looking amazing. It's actually really smooth too. Everything is awesome.